Hello, my name's Fazzy here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham, and today I'm going to be taking you around this vehicle. Today we're looking at this Ford Transit Custom 320. This vehicle features a 2-litre diesel engine pushing out 185 PS. The van also comes with an automatic gearbox with a 6-speed transmission. This Transit Custom comes in the metallic paint colour Moondust Silver, and across the front of the vehicle it comes with the colour coordinated front bumper, set into which is a set of front parking sensors along with some front fog lamps. The van sits on 16-inch alloy wheels, which come in a multi-spoke design. Towards the rear of this vehicle there is some bumper protection along with rear parking sensors. The van also comes fitted with a fixed ball tow head. And taking a look at the rear of the vehicle, this Transit is fitted with the rear barn doors, and the interior of the load area comes ply lined. The van comes with twin sliding doors. Taking a look at the load area from one of them, the van also comes with a bulkhead with a window. Up front in the driver's cab there is a twin passenger bench and the driver's chair, both come fitted with heated seats. There's also a colour touchscreen multimedia system which includes navigation. The driver also has access to a 3-spoke multifunction leather finished steering wheel. For any more information on this vehicle, then please call us on 0121 514 0632. Alternatively, you can inquire online. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.